Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And I recently did an upgrade on the microphone I was using on my videos. And it was a good basic entry microphone and it has worked really well for me for the past 2 years. Now this microphone as of checking today is not available anymore from Amazon.com, which is where I purchased it from. However, if you want to see the review video I made about it, you can check it out here. Now there are several types of microphones that you can select from and plenty of stores that sell them as well. If you are interested in looking for a microphone for your video content, then be certain to take your time, check out the reviews from customers who've purchased them, and make certain the website or store you visit is legit, and stay away from misleading advertisements about the product. If anything seems suspicious or out of place, or your spidey sense starts tingling, then listen to it and venture to another store or website. It could save you a lot of headache in the end. With that being said, let me show you this new setup I've done. This is the BLUE YETI microphone made by Logitech. Although it may look it, this microphone is anything but small. It has gotten plenty of positive reviews and it has been available for a couple of years now. Most reviewers like this microphone, and this is one of the reasons I want to give it a try. The box next to it is a vocal beat shock mount for the microphone. It helps in preventing vibrations that the microphone picks up due to tapping on a desk or table that you use. The shock mount can also be used for boom arms that you attach the microphone to, and I'll show that later in the video. This is the boom arm that the microphone attaches to. Now this isn't a necessary item to have, but only optional if you need it. Although you see these in plenty of content creators' videos, they are very helpful in that you needn't have to bend over for the microphone to pick up your voice. You can keep your posture straight while viewing the content on your screens. I had that issue myself before purchasing this item, and for me, I'd say it is a must to acquire. But your needs may vary, so make certain this product is what you need for your projects. With the product, you get the boom arm itself, the mounting bracket that attaches to the desk or table, the instruction manual, and 5 cable ties. Here is the shock mount unboxed from the microphone. You have the shock mount itself, 2 mounting covers for the side of the microphone if you aren't using the stand that comes with the microphone, and an adapter for mounting a microphone to the boom arm. Now there have been reported incidences where consumers were not able to attach the microphone to the boom arms due to the size discrepancy of the mounting screws on the boom arm. Because of this, they have included this in the box if you need it. Fortunately, I did not need this for the fitment of the microphone to the boom arm. So this is what the microphone looks like out of the box, and as you can see, it's very stylish and it does have some weight to it, so be careful when you're taking it out of the box. But this is the other side of it, and it has a lot of features that you will need when you're creating your projects. So here is the finished result of the boom arm being attached to the desk and the microphone and the shock mount being attached to the boom arm. This wasn't really a hard project. You just have to attach the base of the boom arm to the desk, attach the boom arm inside of the attachment to the base, the mounting attachment, and attach the shock mount to the end of the boom arm, and then the microphone to the shock mount itself. Now, the microphone was supposed to come with a USB cable, but mine did not. However, you can use just any standard mini USB cable. I know they're kind of rare and you may have to order one, but rest assured any of the mini USB cables will work with this microphone. And here it is again. This is my finished product. And I have headphones attached to the microphone, which it does have a jack for that. And the volume control also helps in raising and lowering the volume of what you hear inside inside of the headphones. You can also play your music and listen to the music through the headphones as well. So all in all, I'm very happy with this. The boom arm works just fine. It's very sturdy. I don't feel that it'll give way with the weight of the microphone that is attached to it, and the cable ties that come with the boom arm are working very well, and the 5 that come with it were more than enough for what I needed. So all in all, a very good project. There's no tools needed to attach the boom arm or the mount to the desk. Everything is just finger tightening, and but I think this is a very good tool to have in case you need it. I will put links to the microphone, the boom arm, and the shock mount itself in case you're interested in this. I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.